Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create Trust Wallet account in Mobile Phone Easy Guide. Open your phone app store, search Trust Wallet, tap Install, and open the app once ready. Choose Create a new wallet, accept terms, and write down the 12-word recovery phrase on paper. Confirm the phrase in the same order to complete wallet setup. Set a secure PIN or biometrics to protect access. In this video, I will show how to create Trust Wallet account in Mobile Phone Easy Guide. After creating your wallet, carefully write the 12-word recovery phrase in the exact order on paper and store it somewhere safe. Do not share this phrase with anyone, not even support staff. Consider multiple physical backups in separate secure locations and avoid digital copies to reduce hacking risk. In this video, I will show how to create Trust Wallet account in Mobile Phone Easy Guide. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more simple crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading documentation and guides on the go, so check the description for the link and deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to create Trust Wallet account in Mobile Phone Easy Guide. To add funds, tap Receive to copy your address or share the QR code with the sender. Use add tokens to display specific coins you plan to use and toggle visibility for convenience. Always confirm the correct blockchain network before sending assets to avoid irreversible loss, and review small test transfers if you are unsure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.